What I have here are 4 different types of Nortec fill valves. So these two look the same, but the difference in them is the orifice size. So this one has a little yellow orifice. This one has kind of a seafoam green orifice. These are double fill valves. Technically, the way this works is one side is the fill valve, the other side is used for drain tempering. So this one has a gray orifice. This side has no orifice, so this is a side that is used for the drain tempering. This one has kind of a seafoam green orifice and a purplish looking orifice. The purpose of the different colored orifices is gallons per minute. So the computer that is within the humidifier knows how long it takes to actually fill the tank based on the orifice size in it, in this fill valve. And because it knows how long it's supposed to take to fill the tank, if it's taking extraordinarily long to fill the tank, it knows there's a problem with something. Fill valve stuck closed, drain valve stuck open, water turned off, and then it's able to kick out an error code. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.